Hey guys, so instead of going over new information today, I decided to give you an extra day to work on the summative assignment. So you will have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 3 days to wrap up what you've learned about Unit 4. And I just want to remind you a little bit about what the summative assessment is in terms of like how to get the information you need, and also let you know kind of what the daily check-ins are going to be. So I'm going to give you 3 check-ins, one each day, and they're going to be in the folder in Schoology called Unit 4 project. So it should be pretty simple to find them. That is what I'm going to be using to do your attendance. So make sure that until you're done with the project that you're going in and doing those check-ins each day. And it's going to start with today and submitting what you're currently anticipating doing for your project. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remind you what the Unit 4 summative assessment looks like. If you already watched the first video, excellent, this should be really familiar. If you've not done that, this is going to seem kind of foreign, so you will want to go back into the Unit 4 summative assessment assignment and actually watch that, which was posted at the beginning of the unit. So here's kind of that overview of all of your different options. All of these are clickable on the PDF. So I got this by going in the Unit 4 assessment and then downloading the Unit 4 summative assessment PDF. So in the PDF, everything is clickable, everything's a link, and it'll bring you to the rubric. What I'm going to ask you to do today is decide on what topics you want to do for each section. So remember, you need to pick something from chapter 4.1, 2, 3, and 4. And I am going to highly encourage you to maybe be more on the creative side. The more people do the same things, typically the harder I grade it. So if you're doing something that no one else is doing or that few other people are doing, there's a pretty decent chance that I'll be pretty lenient with those grades. So not that that should be the deciding factor, but maybe it, weighs in the back of your mind as you're going through. So again, you can make a quiz, do a mind map, or actually, yeah, those 2 options for any of them. If you do the research paper, that is definitely covered in homeostasis, but you can make it cover all 4 topics. If you do the 1-pager, it can cover the first half or the second half of the chapter. And you can do both 1-pagers and be done with it. The creative story covers all 4 sections. And if you have any original ideas, I'd expect you to get them out to me for tomorrow. So again, when you click on these, you can go down, see the rubric, click home, bring you back. And so if you've got questions about that, make sure to ask me today. But what I'm going to ask you to do for today's assignment is if you go into the into that same link right here, right? You've got the summative assignment template for Pages. I just want you to go ahead, get that opened up in Pages, put your name on the front page and what class period you are, move these little circles around and show me what you are going to be doing, and then save that as a PDF and send it to me. So I'll make this pretty easy. I just want you to start on the template and pick what you're doing. So if you're going to do the quizzes for all 4, that's fine. Go ahead and move these circles up. And voila. If you decide that you're going to do the 1-pager, you just need the 1 circle for these 2 sections. And then, so there you go. Kind of however you decide to do it. If you do something that covers all 4 topics, you just need the 1 circle. Again, your name there, the class period, show me what you're doing. Don't forget to hit File, Save As, or what is it? File, Export to PDF when you go to save it, and then submit it. That'll count for today's attendance. And if you do decide to change your mind down the road, that is totally fine. But this will start to give me an idea of where you guys are at. If you've got questions, let me know. Expect to spend about half an hour at least on the project itself today, and that'll give you an hour or so on Thursday and Friday. With that in mind, have fun, and talk to you soon.